Hi, it's Renee again. Today's review is on these Velcro cable ties. If you have a lot of cables around the house like we do all over the place, um, this helps to kind of keep them in order, or when you're storing them, it helps to keep them.
Okay.
Did you figure out how to use it?
Yeah.
It helps to keep them from getting all
Figured it out.
tangled. Yeah, you just run it through the hole, and then
Okay.
it's Velcro, so you just run it through the hole on the other
Oh, and
the
that's
other
cool because
end.
that part sticks too.
Uh-huh. And then wrap it around the cables,
That's pretty
and
cool.
it keeps them from getting tangled with everything else. Because I don't know about you, but I have a junk drawer and everything gets tangled and confused in there. So these will come in handy in making sure that everything is where it should be, and not all tangled with everything else. So I'm looking
Huge
forward to
freaking cable.
getting these used. Uh, I'll place the link below the video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. And have a great day.